Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tom yum soup using a convenient paste. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of tom yum paste, 8 ounces of your preferred protein like shrimp or chicken, and fresh mushrooms. Don't forget aromatics such as lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Also, have on hand fish sauce, lime juice, and 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. This simple approach makes authentic flavors accessible to everyone. Now, let's craft the flavorful broth. Begin by bringing 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth to a gentle boil in a pot. Next, add your aromatics, 2 stalks of bruised lemongrass and a few slices of galangal. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of tom yum paste until it's completely dissolved. Allow the broth to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step infuses all those wonderful, complex flavors into your soup base, creating a truly aromatic foundation. With your broth simmering beautifully, it's time to add the main components. Carefully introduce 8 ounces of your chosen protein, whether it's succulent shrimp or tender sliced chicken, into the pot. Follow this by adding 1 cup of fresh, sliced mushrooms, such as straw or oyster varieties. Cook these ingredients until the protein is just done. For shrimp, this usually takes only 3 to 5 minutes. Ensure your vegetables remain tender crisp, adding a delightful texture to every spoonful. For the perfect finish, remove the pot from the heat. This prevents overcooking and preserves the delicate balance of flavors. Stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice for a bright, tangy kick, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of fish sauce to deepen the savory notes. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Finally, garnish your exquisite tom yum soup with fresh cilantro. Serve it immediately, steaming hot, to enjoy its vibrant, authentic taste. Enjoy your homemade culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.